Hey guys, what's up? Zach here. Excited to share with you a full walkthrough of Pictastic.ai, your number one resource in software to deliver photos, deliver videos to clients, deliver virtual tours, build property sites, and be proud of the real estate media, not only that you send over and present, but how you send it. And of course, let's make sure we get paid to deliver, okay? So this is our website. Check us out, and I'm going to show you a live example, and then I'll do a quick walkthrough of how to build a project site, what this is, and how it works, and give you a full quick rundown of a project site on Pictastic. We have some other tools coming as well, but overall what you're seeing right here on the screen is me sharing a full property or project website or project site, what we call it. You can download all the media by clicking the download button. The title is here. The cover photo here is in the back as well. You can also click these tabs and quickly navigate through different sections of the project or property site. So you see here I have home photos. I can click into those, click to the right and see the deliverable photos that I will be delivering to clients, or if you're a real estate agent, what it looks like to navigate through a space and share this link. You can do that. I can also click something called project highlights, where we have a few really important images here that we want to highlight. We can also embed virtual tours. You can embed Zillow tours. You can embed Matterport tours. You can embed, of course, CloudPano tours. The number one resource in the world for you is CloudPano virtual tours. Now, if you look around here as well, you'll see these little share and embed icons as well. These share and embed icons are helpful for when you're trying to share and use the actual links that are here. So in this case, you have the CloudPano link. You can copy it, or you can just go to the new tab to that CloudPano tour example. So here's what that would look like in the new tab. So I'm kind of jumping over to this new tab to the virtual tour directly. Also, we can host and embed videos, and you can see here it's kind of shared or embedded the same way. And we also have a branded and unbranded property website that is built into the Pictastic feature set. So you can take the branded or the unbranded version, click the icon, and quickly you can jump into a branded property site. The main difference between a property site in a project site, of course, according to Pictastic, is this. There's no more download buttons. So as a user, or as a viewer of the house, you don't want to download images. You just want to look at them, right? So that's what a property site is. That's our main difference for this specific feature. And we can add in extra information about that specific property as well. And a branded version versus unbranded would be a property site that has the agent's contact or agent's information, so you can know who represents this listing. In this case, you can show a logo or someone's image as well, or your real estate agent or broker's image can go there very easily. Okay, so that's what a project site looks like. How do we build one of these guys? And how do we do it fast? Okay, so I'm going to click log in, or you can click sign up, of course. I'm going to jump in with my Google account, and I'm just going to make you a really quick I'll make you a really quick project site just as I'm sharing my screen, and as I quickly jump in here so you can see what we are doing. And I'm super proud of the CloudPano Labs team. We have done an excellent job here building this tool, and I'm excited to see how it grows over time. Okay, so when you first log in, you won't see media here. What you have to do is upload the media. So upload images, upload videos, and you'll see all of this media here because you upload it into your account. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold down Shift and just upload and and select a bunch of images. Okay, now what I can do with this is I can add that media to an album. So I'm just going to call this album House 3. Okay, so I created an album, and the album is just essentially how you would organize or get ready to the House 3. So say I want to have an album of images, or an album of videos, or an album of floor plans. That's how you would do that. So you would create, you would add this information. You would add the photos to the album. So let's grab a few more. And once that media is in there, you can call that album whatever you want. In this case, I called it House 3. We can pick an image as well to be a cover image for that album if you want to have a cover image for the album, kind of like you would expect for any kind of file management, etc. So once you have some albums, I have a series of albums already here, you can go to the tab called Project Sites. So you have Media, Albums, and Project Sites. Okay. Click New Project. I'm going to call this 43027 Runway. That's the name of the house. I'm going to add some albums here. So I'm going to add my House 3 album I made a second ago. I'm going to add my Real Estate Home album. And of course, you can reuse album as well. So if you need to make multiple project sites with multiple different variations of albums, you can totally do that. That's easy to do. And also you can add highlights. So say I wanted to take this video and this image and make it into a highlight. I can do that. I have a highlight section as well. Also, I can add what's called a cover image. Cover images are a big deal because they will be first. And I showed you a moment ago on that project site. So I'm just going to show that's kind of how you do it. You add a cover image and it goes right here. Then you click this little bottom right button where it says Create Project Site. I'm going to add an album here. I'm going to add 2 albums and let's add my highlights as well. And I can add an embed too. Why not? So we'll call this House 3. I'll select the album House 3. We'll have this one be the second album, Real Estate Photos. We can call it whatever we want to. Okay, really easy to change the names of different sections. And you can also drag and drop those sections as well. So I showed you I changed the order just like that. I can call the highlights cool examples, I guess. I'm just kind of tiling whatever I want to right now. And also, too, I can take a tour. Let's say I want to share a CloudPano virtual tour. I can just take that link, add it here, and just call it virtual tour or a Zillow tour or Matterport tour or whatever tour. CloudPano. I'm going to click Publish Site. Now, what this just did is it created a deliverable property site or project site for customers. See my cover images here in the back. I have the title right here. It's who it's by. I have a download option. I have the option to download this album individually. I can review it. I can proof it and look at it. And my customer has all of the things that he needs for a project. That took me about, 3 minutes or so to create a project site or property site and send it over to him. And now they can easily just click and navigate. They know exactly where their stuff is, their cool examples, the House 3, the real estate photos. It's all in one place. It's a beautiful place to deliver projects, and you can get paid on delivery, which is really, really cool as well too. So if you haven't already, go check out Pictastic.ai. Let me see if I can find the website. Here it is, Pictastic.ai. And log in, check it out, play with it. It's free to log in, free to make your first project site on Pictastic. Powerful tool, super. It's going to help you a bunch, and we have a lot of really cool things going. So build dope project sites in 2 minutes or less. Let's go crush project delivery together. All right, see you inside.